Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. As you can see, we have quite a number of Teslas in the shop right now. I know it's been a long time we haven't posted any videos. It's because we are very busy with our new EV project, which is being a Tesla EV specialist right now in Malaysia. The first one, especially since we got the official Tesla toolbox diagnostic right here that we can use to diagnose and also retrofit many things on Tesla cars. You know, this is the first time in Malaysia that we have such a facility. That's why we are also going to expand our facility later next year, but we will review that in later part. So we have like cars that needs repairs, cars that doing retrofit, front Power Frunk, as that Model 3 as well. We have power boot installation, power trunk installation, power doors installation. We also have like body kits, rims, and many other accessories for the Tesla available already in Malaysia right now. So if you guys are interested and excited about the tax incentive that our government has just announced last week, and this is a good time for you to consider to get a Tesla, because this is the best EV in the world right now. I guarantee you that you never regret buying one. Okay guys, so if you need any help in supporting a Tesla or even buying one, please do not hesitate to give us a call or WhatsApp us, as we are now ready to support these Tesla cars in Malaysia. Okay guys, thank you. If you like this video, please do subscribe for new updates in the future. Okay guys, thank you.